we'll guide you through how to create your very own VS Code extension. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code and ensure you have Node.js installed, as it's essential for extension development. Then, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the left sidebar. Search for Yeoman and install the Yeoman extension if you haven't already. This tool will scaffold your extension project. Once installed, press Ctrl plus Resetted to open the integrated terminal and type npm install -g generator code to install the Yeoman generator for VS Code extensions. After the installation, type yo code and press Enter. You'll be prompted to choose a language, select TypeScript or JavaScript depending on your preference. Next, provide a name for your extension and follow the prompts to set your extension's details. Yeoman will generate the basic structure for your extension. Navigate to the newly created directory if you're not already there. Open the src folder to find extension.ts or extension.js, where you'll start coding your extension's logic. You can modify the package.json file to set metadata like name, description, and version. To test your extension, press F5. This will open a new VS Code window with your extension loaded in a development mode. You can now interact with your extension as if it was a regular VS Code feature. When you're satisfied with your extension, you should package it for publishing using the VSCE tool, which you can install by running npm install -g VSCE. Then, run VSCE package to create a VSIX file, which is your extension package. To publish, you'll need to create a publisher identity in the Visual Studio Marketplace and follow their guidelines to upload your VSIX file. And there you have it, your very own VS Code extension. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.